So today guys, I'm going to be talking about how I finally got Facebook ads to work for my stores. And if you guys stick till the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys our winning product that we're selling right now and all of our profit margins. As you guys can see, this winning product is absolutely popping off right now. Today is November 1st, 2022. It's 1:48 p.m. right now. And we're already at 1.8k in sales. So by the end of today, we're going to be easily hitting 4 or 5k. And yeah, I think if I actually reload this, we got some sales while I was talking. So 1.8k, let me reload this and see if it updates here. And yeah, as you can see, 1.9k. So we literally got a sale while I was getting ready to make this video and started talking to you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned till the end of this video where I'm going to reveal the winning product to you guys and all of the profit margins. But real quick, I just want to take a quick look at the analytics. First couple of days this month, we were doing alright, and then out of nowhere, we just popped off. This is when the Facebook ads got really optimized. And in a second, I'm actually going to be going to the Facebook ads manager and showing you guys the ads over there, showing you guys the campaigns. Now, this is my first actual low ticket product. All of my previous Shopify stores, as you guys know, I've showed them on my channel. They were all high ticket products. So I was maybe getting like 10, 20 sales a day. It wasn't that frequent. But because this one is so low ticket, we're literally getting hundreds of sales every single day here. As you guys can see, literally every single 10 minutes, we're getting a sale. Because this one is low ticket, the frequency of sales is just so high. But yeah, as you guys can see here, pretty much all of our sessions was from social. So we had some from direct, we had some from search. This was just natural search on Google, and some from email. I don't even know how the hell that happened. I guess someone like wrote an email about us or something. But yeah, as you guys can see, pretty much all of our sessions and all of our sales by our social source was from Facebook. And yeah, as you can see, sessions by social source over here, it's pretty much all Facebook. We had some from Instagram again. We didn't run any Instagram ads. This was just natural Instagram. And we had some from Messenger. I think this is WhatsApp. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Now guys, what's so important that I wanted to talk to you guys about before we actually go and reveal the product and show you guys the Facebook ads manager and all of that. Guys, as you can see, so all of these are orders, yeah, whatever. And you can see that this specific order, Jose Gayetti or whatever, you can see here that this is a CartX post-purchase order. Now what this means is I actually talked about this on my previous video where I showed you guys our other store. Guys, this is an app, it's called CartX. And if I go onto the store, you can see that this guy, so this Jose guy who was shopping on our store, he originally just placed an order for $57. So you can see here, after he placed his order for $57 at 2:38 p.m., literally 30 seconds after, we got another sale from him for $43 using CartX post-purchase upsell. Guys, this app is crazy. What CartX does is if I actually go into the app, you guys can see pretty much what this app is. It's an upsell app. If you guys don't know what upsell apps are, there's a lot of them on Shopify. This is the best one by far. I've used all of them, guys. CartX is the best upsell app. Why this is so special is because they don't have to put in their bank information again. They don't have to put their shipping information in again. Literally right after they make their purchase, it's going to give them another pop-up and they can just click add this product too. And it's just going to add another product for them. Guys, this works so well. I wasn't expecting this to work this well on the store, guys. Can't believe it. So many customers purchase another product right after they purchased one when this app gives them an offer. It's literally working like amazing, guys. This app is so powerful. As you guys can see, it literally got us an extra 6k additional revenue that we wouldn't have gotten otherwise. So literally, if we didn't have this app, we would have just made $6,000 less now. So yeah, the app is designed to be very easy to set up. There's literally no coding required. I recommend everyone starts adding this to their stores. I literally add it to every single one of mine now. It's literally completely free to try out. You have nothing to lose. Just add it to your store. And this is the only app in the Shopify store. This is literally the only app in the entire Shopify store that allows you to add up to 6 upsells. Let's go ahead and go over to the Facebook ads manager. And as you can see here, we have a lot of different campaigns. If you guys haven't run Facebook ads before, this is gonna look really confusing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one of the specific campaigns. So this specific campaign that we're running, guys, as you can see, we spent $6,900 That's the total money spent in this campaign. This is just this campaign, guys. There's a bunch of other campaigns, but we've spent $6,900 right here, and we actually made $16,000 back. So this is a pretty decent ROAS. It's nothing crazy. I've seen some people with like a ROAS of 5.8, but this is a pretty decent ROAS. It's 2.3. It's pretty average. So yeah, guys, without any more chit chat, I'm gonna go ahead and reveal this winning product to you guys. So this right here is our top selling product on this store, guys. This is a whole niche store. There's a bunch of other products. This is just one of them. The reason why this product is so incredible is because we're getting this product for so cheap off of AliExpress, guys. As you can see, you can literally get this for like $12 off of AliExpress, and the shipping like doesn't even add that much. It's like a couple extra dollars for shipping. So the profit margins on this product are insane, guys. And these are the Hannah Martin watches. AliExpress has a bunch of different Hannah Martin watches. Hannah Martin isn't actually a brand, it's just something these Chinese guys created. But yeah, as you can see, you can mark up the prices like crazy on these cheap AliExpress watches. But yeah, guys, this product is just insane, and the profit margins after running the ads is still very, very good, right? So without the ad cost, it's insane. The product margins are like, you know, you can 5x on the product. But with the ad cost, it becomes a little bit more neutral. But it's still absolutely insane how cheap this product is. But yeah, if you guys want to see a more in-depth review of this product and our entire store, and also if you guys want to see my actual Facebook ads, like the ad copies themselves, make sure to drop a like on this video and leave a comment down below letting me know that you guys want to see that. And if you guys do, I'll be showing that in my next video.